Is the games option missing in your Facebook Messenger app on your Android device? This can happen due to outdated app versions or random glitches. But don't worry, I'll walk you through some easy solutions to bring back the games option. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update Messenger. Make sure your Messenger app is updated to its latest version. Open Play Store. Search Messenger. When it appears, make sure if there is any update available for your app. You can also enable auto updates for your app. To do that, open the Messenger page on Play Store, tap the three-dot icon on the corner, and simply tap on Enable Auto Update. This will give you latest updates for your Messenger automatically. Solution 2. Clear cache and restart the Messenger app. Tap and hold on the Messenger app icon. Then tap the I button or App Info. Find the option called Storage. Open it. Then tap on Clear Cache. After that, close the Messenger app completely by swiping it away from your recent app list. Now, reopen Messenger and check if the games option is now visible in the chat. Solution 3. Sign out and sign in again. Tap and hold the Messenger app again. Then tap the I button or App Info. Find the option called Storage. Open it. Tap Clear Data and confirm it. This will delete all your Messenger data, including your login session. Now open the Messenger app. Sign back in using your account credentials and check if the games option is now visible. Now, if the above method doesn't work, try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it from the App Store or Google Play Store. To do that, tap and hold the Messenger app. Tap Uninstall. Now confirm the uninstallation. After that, open Play Store. Search Messenger. Now install it again on your device. Log back in and check if the option is now visible. Hopefully the option will be back by now. And that's how you can fix the missing game option issue in your Facebook Messenger. If the video helped, be sure to give it a like. If you're still facing problems, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.